So find my iPhone is gray out. How to fix this problem? Just go back and make sure you're using latest iOS version. I'm using a latest iOS 18. Just go to general and transfer reset. Just reset network setting. Press on reset network setting, then enter for your passcode and your phone will be restart. Now open your phone, then go to your setting, and from here you need to go the face ID and passcode. Now enter your current passcode, and now just disable this option is stolen device protection. Disable this option. It will take your face ID and go back. So in this phone here you can see the security delay is it's need a 55 minutes to disable this option, but my another iPhone this option is already disabled. Now if I go back to my setting, find my iPhone, then you can easily disable this option. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.